Alright. No, them couldn't come up with the data.
We have to see them later.
Later.
Bro, we got to
It's a tape?
That's on a rape.
That's on a rape. I may represent for Kawala. And she presidential like Kamala. Harris, that is. You saw she hot? Harris, that is. What is her name?
I'm out.
That tape, remember now they represent the Fisher. And remember now, we have one family, we don't need no well-wisher. And if they hear them so we'll get richer. That's why they literally on a video and couple pictures. What is her name? I'm out.